Hi guys, back again, and I'm so excited about this one. So I've been talking about this on Instagram for a while now, that I'm looking for a new car. So yes, not a replacement for the Skyline, you'll be pleased to know, I'm pleased to know, but this is a replacement for the Daily. So I've been asking on Instagram what people would recommend, and to be honest, I kind of had my heart set on this regardless of what people said, but I think this is an absolute bargain. I got this for less than £2,000, quite a lot less than £2,000, and I absolutely love it. So please let me know what you think, and here we go. I might So, reliving my youth from 15 years ago, 13 years ago, I had a Mark IV Golf 1.8 Turbo, and you know, at the time, I don't even know if I liked it. I modded it a bit, it looked really good, but I was never too happy with it. But ever since I got rid of it, it's always been one of the cars that I just kind of wanted back. So, I went and done it. Now we're looking at this in a very forgiving light at the moment, guys, but it's actually really clean. So there's a few known bad points in Golfs around the front wings. You're expecting to see a wee bit of rust. The roof in this area tends to rust as well. This one doesn't seem to have any of it. Now, it's by no means perfect, but let's have a quick look around it. So I think it kind of suits the RS4/TT rims. Already I've got an extra 10 brake horsepower and the new red calipers, but all discs and pads, calipers all seem to be pretty good on this. I see previous owners gave us the black side repeaters. I'm going to actually replace them because there's a wee bit of moisture in them. And you all will have noticed it's a Mordor and it's black. These were two things I never thought I'd do actually with a car, and I've went and done it. 4-door black. I'll go around the outside quick. I've changed a couple of things already on this. I'll pan over to a quick shot. The wiper had to go. This was so can I remember how to do this again? So I think it's a couple of screws, and then so literally 10 minutes. And ready to stick the blank in. So this, again, like everything else for this car, is literally £5. Absolutely a 10-minute job, guys. I'll just show you quickly a kind of sped up version of how it was done, but it does need a wee clean round there still. But yeah, 10-minute job. I think it just makes the profile so much better without the wiper sticking out, and also it came with the full height aerial, which looks absolutely terrible. So for a £5 got a new aerial, and for £5 I got this bung. So modding it is so cheap. I'm not going to be doing too much to it, but what I've noticed online, these parts are pennies. And I actually got brand new carpets, but I've got big sandy footprints on them already. But inside's actually quite good as well, guys. It's the Recaro interior, unbranded one, but they're so comfy, these seats. And if we have a look in, it's already had the wood trim taken off. It was one of the things I was looking forward to doing, but previous owners put the Mark IV anniversary what would I call them? Accents, whatever they're called. R-line gear knob. All the wood removed. Driver's side as well. And that is throughout the car. And guys, look at this. I forgot how good these cup holders are. Now I've already used this car for a week and wow, these are incredible. So, more positives. When I was looking, most of these seem to be very high mileage examples. This one as well, they seem to tick a lot of boxes, guys, and it was, so we can see there, I'll zoom you in a wee bit, 106,000. Now, most were much higher than that, and as far as I can see with the history, it's not been clocked or anything, so hopefully I've got an honest one. Honest low mileage example at 106k. Laugh at this. One thing that has been replaced. Can you see above me? The headliner's been stuck up with buttons. Now, to be honest, I think this has got a hard job, so this might just stay forever and be a conversation piece. Final thing, I feel like I'm full of positives for this car, but another thing that was really impressive, and it was impressive when I looked at it, the engine bay is so clean, apart from the fact there's been some sort of cleaner used on the actual engine cover that's not came up black, but here it is, guys, the 1.8 turbo. Now this is what I'm talking about. I'm not sure what he's used here, but I've tried to clean that. I don't know whether I might need to do something else. So yeah, like I say, I've tried to clean this. I've used AC90 sort of cleaner and it's not really coming off, but apart from that, guys, around the sides here, strut tops, very clean. So guys, hope you like it. If you don't, let me know. If you don't want to ever see it on the channel again, if you don't want to look at another Mark IV 1.8 turbo, let us know. But I like it, guys. I'm definitely going to mess about with it. There's a few wee things we can do, maybe even sneak a map on it, but I think I got an absolute bargain there. Can't be many better cars out there, years MOT, etc., for under £2,000. So yeah, let me know what you think, and let me know if you want to see it again. If not, I will just keep the family car off of the channel. But cheers again, guys. Also the blue dials, guys. Memories flooding back.